Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to fix the WhatsApp issue. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now what we have to do, we have to launch settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage. And under iPhone storage, we have to tap on WhatsApp and tap offload app and tap again offload app to confirm. Now force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Then go back to App Store and re-download the WhatsApp. If you're still facing the same issue, then move to the other solution. Now launch any browser and search for WhatsApp support and use the first link. After loading the page, we have to tap on contact us. Here you have to select your country, put your number, then put your email ID, then copy your email ID and confirm email address. Now select your platform, Android, iPhone, web and other one. Here you have to put your problem. Here we have to type, hello WhatsApp, I'm facing this issue. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Please solve this problem as soon as possible. We have to type here. I'm just put these words because it's going to be a long video. Now tap done and tap next step. That's it. After submission of your request, it will take 24 hours and you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.